That egg white carton in your fridge isn't pure protein. The liquid whites you've been drinking every morning, pasteurized at temperatures that damage bioavailability, and mixed with stabilizers. The fat-free egg whites you switch to for clean eating, stripped of every vitamin, mineral, and nutrient that makes eggs healthy. I spent 2 weeks investigating what's actually inside store-bought egg white cartons. What I found made me crack whole eggs again. In the next 15 minutes, I'm exposing exactly how egg white products are made and why removing the yolk removes everything that makes eggs nutritious. By the end, you'll know exactly why whole eggs are superior and the single ingredient list that separates real food from processed protein water. Let's start with how store-bought egg whites are actually made. The industrial egg white process. Store-bought egg whites start in mass-market facilities that crack thousands of eggs per minute using automated machinery. These aren't eggs being gently separated by hand. This is industrial processing where eggs move through conveyor systems at speeds designed for efficiency, not nutrition preservation. The cracking machines use rotating drums with mechanical separators that break the shells and immediately separate whites from yolks. The separation happens through centrifugal force and filtration screens that catch yolk particles while allowing whites to flow through. This process is fast, but it's also aggressive enough to damage the delicate protein structures in egg whites. After separation, the egg whites get filtered and homogenized to remove membranes and any remaining yolk particles. The filtering creates a uniform liquid texture by pushing the whites through fine mesh screens under pressure. What comes out is smooth, consistent egg white liquid that looks nothing like the viscous, slightly lumpy texture of fresh egg whites straight from the shell. The homogenization process breaks down the natural protein structures to create that consistent, pourable texture consumers expect. Fresh egg whites have varying thickness, with thick albumin near the yolk and thin albumin near the shell. Industrial processing destroys that natural variation and creates standardized liquid that behaves the same every time. This makes the product safer for raw consumption, which is legitimate. But that heat exposure changes the protein structure. The delicate albumin proteins in egg whites begin denaturing at temperatures above 140 degrees, meaning some of the proteins get damaged during pasteurization. The heat treatment reduces bioavailability of certain amino acids and damages heat-sensitive protein bonds. You're drinking egg whites that have been cooked enough to kill bacteria, but not enough to solidify completely. The proteins are partially denatured, which affects how your body digests and absorbs them compared to fresh, raw, or properly cooked whole eggs. After pasteurization, many brands add stabilizers and thickeners to improve shelf life and texture. The ingredient labels reveal what's really in these cartons beyond just egg whites. Triethyl citrate appears as a stabilizer to prevent separation during storage. Guar gum or xanthan gum get added as thickeners to create a more viscous texture that mimics fresh egg whites. Some brands add natural flavors to mask the flat taste that comes from processing. The most misleading products are the ones labeled 100% egg whites that still contain these additives. What the ingredient labels actually reveal. The front of egg white cartons screams 100% egg whites and pure protein in large fonts designed to create clean eating associations. The back label tells a different story with ingredient lists that include more than just egg whites. Triethyl citrate is a common stabilizer derived from citric acid that prevents the proteins from clumping during storage. It's considered safe by the FDA, but it's still an additive in a product marketed as nothing but egg whites. Consumers buying these cartons to avoid processed foods don't realize they're drinking egg whites with chemical stabilizers. Guar gum and xanthan gum appear as thickening agents to create viscosity. These are plant-based fibers that absorb water and create gel-like texture. They're not dangerous, but they're processing aids used to make pasteurized egg whites behave like fresh ones. You're drinking thickened protein liquid, not actual egg whites straight from eggs. Some brands add color stabilizers to maintain the pale yellow tint that consumers associate with fresh egg whites. Pure separated egg whites can look slightly gray or cloudy after pasteurization, creating visual appeal that doesn't reflect nutritional quality. These allow the cartons to sit in refrigerators for weeks without bacterial growth or separation. That stability is convenient, but it requires chemical preservation that fresh egg whites don't need because they're consumed quickly. Natural flavors appear on some flavored egg white products marketed for drinking straight or adding to smoothies. These flavors mask the flat, slightly metallic taste that comes from pasteurization and processing. You're drinking egg whites that have been flavored to taste acceptable because processing destroyed the subtle flavor of fresh eggs. What makes these ingredient labels significant is how they contradict the clean eating marketing. Egg white cartons position themselves as the pure protein alternative to whole eggs. But the actual ingredient list reveals industrial processing with multiple additives to create shelf stability and consumer acceptable texture. You're buying processed egg white products marketed as simple separated eggs. The nutrients you're missing by removing the yolk. The yolk contains every fat-soluble vitamin in the egg. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are all concentrated in the yellow part that egg white drinkers throw away or avoid. These vitamins require fat for absorption, which is why nature packaged them in the fatty yolk, not in the fat-free white. Vitamin A in egg yolks supports vision, immune function, and skin health. The retinol form in yolks is more bioavailable than beta-carotene from plants, meaning your body can use it immediately without conversion. One large egg yolk contains about 270 IU of vitamin A, roughly 5% of your daily needs. Egg whites contain zero vitamin A because it's fat-soluble and the yolk holds all the fat. Vitamin D is critical for calcium absorption, bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Egg yolks are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, with one yolk containing about 40 IU. That's not a massive amount, but it contributes to daily intake in a highly bioavailable form. Pasture-raised eggs have even higher vitamin D because chickens synthesize it from sun exposure. Egg whites contain zero vitamin D. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative damage and supports immune function. Egg yolks contain about 0.5 milligrams of vitamin E per yolk in the form of alpha-tocopherol. This protects the polyunsaturated fats in the yolk from oxidation and provides antioxidant benefits when you consume them. Egg whites contain zero vitamin E. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone metabolism. Egg yolks contain vitamin K2, the form that directs calcium into bones and teeth, rather than soft tissues like arteries. Vitamin K2 deficiency is linked to osteoporosis and arterial calcification. Egg whites contain zero vitamin K. Choline is concentrated in egg yolks at about 147 milligrams per large egg, making eggs one of the richest dietary sources. Choline is essential for brain development, neurotransmitter synthesis, liver function, and cell membrane structure. Most Americans are deficient in choline because few foods contain meaningful amounts. Removing the yolk removes the primary reason eggs are considered brain food. Egg whites contain trace amounts of choline, essentially nutritionally meaningless. The omega-3 fatty acids in eggs come entirely from the yolk, especially in pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs. These are primarily DHA and EPA, the forms most beneficial for brain health, heart health, and inflammation reduction. One pasture-raised egg can contain 100 to 200 milligrams of omega-3s. Egg whites contain zero omega-3s because they contain zero fat. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoid antioxidants concentrated in egg yolks that protect eye health by filtering blue light and preventing macular degeneration. The bioavailability of these compounds from egg yolks is higher than from plant sources because the fat in yolks enhances absorption. Egg whites contain zero lutein and zero zeaxanthin. The B vitamins are split between white and yolk, but most are concentrated in the yolk. Vitamin B12 for nerve function and red blood cell production. Folate for DNA synthesis and cell division. Vitamin B6 for neurotransmitter production and metabolism. The yolk contains more of all of these than the white. By drinking only egg whites, you're getting some B vitamins, but missing the concentrated amounts in the yolk. The minerals follow the same pattern. Iron, phosphorus, zinc, selenium, all are more concentrated in the yolk than the white. Egg whites contain some selenium and potassium, but the mineral density of yolks is significantly higher. You're drinking the part of the egg with the least micronutrient density while discarding the part that makes eggs nutritionally valuable. How egg whites affect your blood sugar and hunger. Protein without fat digests faster than protein with fat. When you drink egg whites alone, the amino acids hit your bloodstream quickly without the fat that would slow absorption. This rapid protein digestion triggers a faster and higher insulin response compared to whole eggs. Insulin is released in response to both glucose and amino acids. When amino acids from egg white protein enter your bloodstream quickly, your pancreas releases insulin to shuttle those amino acids into cells for protein synthesis or energy. The insulin response from isolated protein can be significant, even without carbohydrates present. Studies comparing whole eggs to egg whites show that whole eggs produce lower postprandial insulin levels despite having the same protein content. The fat in the yolk slows digestion, and blunts the insulin spike. Egg whites alone create a sharper insulin response because there's no fat to moderate the speed of protein absorption. The satiety difference is dramatic. Fat triggers the release of cholecystokinin and other satiety hormones that signal fullness and reduce appetite for hours. Protein alone provides some satiety through amino acid signaling, but it's less effective without fat. People who eat egg white omelets report getting hungry again within 2 to 3 hours. People who eat whole egg omelets stay full for 4 to 5 hours or longer. The hunger return happens because egg whites lack the sustained energy release that fat provides. Protein gets used for tissue repair and can be converted to glucose through gluconeogenesis if needed. But it doesn't provide the stable energy that fat metabolism offers. You're drinking protein that satisfies hunger temporarily, but leaves you searching for food again quickly. The metabolic efficiency of whole eggs versus egg whites is significant. The vitamins and minerals in egg yolks support the metabolic pathways that actually use the protein from egg whites. B vitamins act as coenzymes in energy metabolism. Choline supports fat metabolism in the liver. Vitamin D influences insulin sensitivity. When you remove the yolk, you remove the micronutrients that help your body efficiently process the protein you're consuming. The marketing deception of lean and clean protein. Egg white cartons are marketed as lean protein, fat-free, low-calorie, and clean. These descriptors create associations with healthy eating and fitness optimization. But lean and clean are marketing terms, not nutritional assessments. Fat-free is technically accurate. Egg whites contain less than 0.5 grams of fat per serving, but fat-free doesn't mean healthier. The fat in egg yolks is primarily monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the kinds that support heart health, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Removing fat removes nutrition, not health risk. Store-bought egg whites are ultra-processed, pasteurized, filtered, homogenized, and often contain stabilizers. Whole eggs cracked at home are actually clean, unprocessed food. The marketing inverted the meaning. Fitness culture normalized egg whites as the bodybuilder breakfast and the lean protein choice. This comes from outdated fear of dietary cholesterol and fat that has been thoroughly debunked by modern nutrition research. Dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly affect blood cholesterol for most people. The fat in egg yolks doesn't make you fat, but the marketing persists because egg white products are profitable. And the fitness industry trusts what bodybuilders did in the 1980s. The real healthy option: whole eggs. Whole eggs are complete nutrition in a shell. One large whole egg contains 6 grams of high-quality protein with all essential amino acids, 5 grams of healthy fats including omega-3s in pasture-raised eggs, and significant amounts of vitamins A, D, E, K, B12, folate, choline, iron, selenium, and zinc. The protein quality of whole eggs is the gold standard. Eggs have a biological value of 100 and a protein digestibility corrected amino acid score of 1.0, the highest ratings possible. This means your body can absorb and use essentially all of the amino acids in eggs for protein synthesis, tissue repair, and metabolic functions. Egg white protein alone has the same amino acid profile, but without the yolk nutrients that support protein metabolism. The cholesterol in egg yolks is not the villain it was portrayed as for decades. Research over the past 20 years has shown that dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for the vast majority of people. If budget is a concern, conventional whole eggs beat premium egg white cartons for actual nutrition delivered per dollar spent. The preparation method matters for nutrient preservation. Soft-boiled or poached eggs with runny yolks preserve the most heat-sensitive nutrients like choline and antioxidants. Scrambled eggs cooked gently are nearly as good. Hard-boiled eggs and fried eggs cooked at high heat can oxidize some of the cholesterol and fats in the yolk, but they're still nutritionally superior to egg whites. Even the worst-cooked whole egg contains more vitamins and minerals than the best egg white product. Egg whites aren't the problem. The marketing is. When you remove the yolk, you remove everything that makes eggs one of the most nutritious foods available. You're left with isolated protein that digests too fast, spikes insulin harder, leaves you hungry sooner, and provides none of the vitamins, minerals, or healthy fats that your body needs. Store-bought egg white cartons are ultra-processed products that have been pasteurized, filtered, homogenized, and mixed with stabilizers to create shelf-stable protein liquid. They're marketed as clean and lean when they're actually stripped and processed. Whole eggs cracked at home are the real clean option. Unprocessed, nutrient-dense, balanced macros, and complete nutrition. The extra 38 calories from the yolk come with all of the vitamin A for vision and immune function. all of the vitamin D for bone health and mood, all of the vitamin E for antioxidant protection, all of the vitamin K for bone and heart health, all of the choline for brain and liver function, all of the omega-3s for inflammation reduction, and all of the lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. Your body doesn't need fat-free protein liquid. It needs whole food nutrition with the vitamins and minerals that support protein metabolism, hormone production, and cellular function. Whole eggs deliver that. Egg white cartons deliver isolated protein marketed as health food. Hit subscribe if you want to stop falling for processed food marketed as the healthy choice. Drop a comment telling me how long you've been drinking egg whites thinking you were being healthier. Most of you have been throwing away the most nutritious part of the egg for years. Eat whole eggs and stop trusting marketing that tells you to remove the nutrition.